Integrated project delivery is a relational contracting method that allows us to remove barriers and build trust and improve efficiency and productivity on our jobs so that we can deliver projects with higher value and faster for our clients. Whenever we start an IPD project, we're kind of looking at the three elements of a project: the commercial terms, the contract basically, the way we organize ourselves, and then the way we operate. And so we're looking at trying to optimize all of those. We'll look at making a team integrated with people who are focused on the scope of the project, to design it, to budget it, to build it, that's going to ultimately own it at the end of the day. So everybody who's got to touch that piece of the project, make any decision related to it, is on one team. So they're in the right place at the right time with the right information, moving fast to make decisions.
IPD front loads the entire process to bring designers and trade partners or contractors, mechanical, electrical, those folks, engineers, civil engineers, mechanical, electrical engineers together to the front end of the project with the owner and develop a project scope, a project budget, and a design concept that works in unison through the entire project, through the entire course of the project.
I really enjoyed the collaboration amongst our design team with the consultants and all of your subcontractors, and bringing the general contractor and the whole team together ahead of time. It's been a good learning process to see how the guys who actually implement the drawings in the field respond to coordinating with them up front, and I think it's been a good learning process for the design team to see what really works in the end.
In our big room and our co-location space, bringing everybody together when it's a metal stud subcontractor, the plumber, the electrician, stress con for precast, all those people, casework guys. I mean, anytime you bring all those folks together into one space and you're working together as we are, good things come out of it.
To see the scheduling starting so early in the game, it gives us the opportunity to really look forward and create and find any sort of roadblocks that we would never catch if we just get thrown on the job the week before and we hit the dirt running. This gives us the opportunity to really mold the job and come up with all kinds of ideas and solutions to the schedule so that we can shorten the schedule and make it more efficient, and we get to talk to all of the other players to try to come up with solutions to these roadblocks in the schedules.
There's a number of different tools that we can utilize to help support it, from co-location, big room meetings, mock-ups, early design mock-ups, not confirmational mock-ups, pull planning, shared common file sharing systems, particularly in the design phase, allows us, instead of waiting for somebody to send something over the fence and wait for approval and come back, it's active. It's always live. We can see it, particularly when we can use the live sharing of the models. Literally, a subcontractor who's working on trying to coordinate something can notice a pipe doesn't fit in the wall. He can turn around behind him in the co-location space, ask the architect, hey, do you mind if we shift that wall or make it bigger? And they'll say, sure. They can update it, save it, sync it. He can go back to his desk and it's updated and changed. There's no need to exchange paperwork or anything in the design phase when we're all together on one team. He doesn't have to do some of the unnecessary paperwork that comes along with the traditional process.
This is great. I'm loving the project because we're catching all those big problems that we usually have to deal with after the fact, and where they're going to be not only little problems but non-existent problems. This collaborative atmosphere with me sitting right across from the plumber and I've got the architect right over there makes a huge difference. It wipes out the adversarial relationship that usually exists in American construction industry. As far as I'm concerned, this is the way all jobs should be, without a doubt.
The different process on this project that I really liked is working directly with the engineers, architects, being able to resolve issues immediately versus going through an RFI process. I can turn around behind me where the architects are and say I need a wall or I need something else moved to accommodate piping, and within 10 minutes, the issue's resolved.
We're all one project team, and so everybody is tied together. If the designers have troubles, then the contractors have to help work with them to figure out those issues. And the same thing, so we're all as one team, and we're not looking as individuals of it's what's best for me or what's best for the project.
We have lots of fun in our co-locate office, and people enjoy being here, and it's a positive environment. The mock-ups have been great to have our staff inside the space, locating the equipment that they use on a daily basis, and really identifying the problems that they have in their current space and how we can solve those moving forward to make them more efficient in the rooms and increase our patient care.
Any client who currently does a lot of design build or design assist work, or who just in general likes to be collaborative and highly integrated into the process of their projects would benefit from IPD and would likely see even more benefits by taking that next step in integration on their projects.
The communication has been much more open, less emails, more coordinating face-to-face and solving problems. It seems like it's being implemented faster and it's more of a real-time solution.